So we are back with a DIY game. So this is the star which I have made, and then I will just place the numbers. You can place the numbers anywhere randomly except leaving the center one. And at the center you will put the last number 30. So here, now let's start. Shreya, you want to pick first? You can pick the cards from a straight line, either in the horizontal, diagonal.
Yes.
Okay, you took this line. I will take this line. Next. Okay, now I will take this one. Oh, so now I don't have any other option and I have to pick up this number. So I lose the game. Wow, Shreya. So you have to make the opponent pick the number 13. So that is the catch of the game, and it is really fun. Kids will really try to use their tricks and strategies to allow the opponent to pick the 13. So just try it out with your kids and share with me on my Instagram and Facebook page. Stay tuned for more such fun DIY games and learning activities. Bye bye.